Hello, Leo. I'm going to be doing your tarot card reading from the 15th to the 31st of May 2020. I've already shuffled and meditated on your cards and spread them out, so we straight away get into your reading. I feel that this period begins with some kind of an unexpected turn of events and something that was unexpected has been brought into light, and this is causing you to not take any action immediately because you feel it's better to think about it and just wait and watch. It's possible that those events which might have caused an upheaval or come as a shock has put you in a mode where you need to think before you can get into action. And it seems to be a time for rejuvenation for you. So possibly after having been through a rather rough period, you might be now taking rest. You might have now decided to cut off from some difficult situations and just be aloof on your own, and you're using this time to probably just sit in on your own and work on some new initiation and just gathering information and getting your plan in your mind as to what you need to do to move ahead. You might be doing some necessary paperwork. You might be doing something related to broadcasting, writing blogs, just being on your own basically, and doing what is best possible during this period of isolation that you have chosen. And I don't see any kind of retaliation from your side with regard to this taking a break. And you might have decided to keep your emotions on priority and not get into a situation where you have to confront anyone or deal with any situation which is rather going to bring any kind of provocation or just confrontation with someone. There is some conflict and you are just trying to avoid getting into that situation. You may be trying to opt for a peaceful resolution wherein you feel that it's better to take a step back and be on your own, build on your own strength, try to make something of your own, rather than getting into the petty nitty-gritties and conflicts with people, which also leads to conflict within your own mind. Maybe you're just avoiding meeting someone or confronting someone because you feel that it's eventually going to lead to unnecessary conflicts and unnecessary drama, arguments, misunderstandings, competitive spirit, and you feel that the best way to deal with it is to do your own thing. So you might have just, sat back at home, and you're probably thinking of writing a book, doing a blog, working on YouTube, something that you can do independently, some writing, reading, focusing on things which it's like your me time right now, and you feel that that's a better way to handle the current situation than to get into some conflicts. You might have taken a decision with regard to a situation in your life, where you feel that it's very necessary to balance out something that has been off for a while, and you have taken enough time and are still in that mode where you are focusing within yourself, on your desires, on what is right for you, on what is it that you need to do at this point of time, what is the right course of action to take, because you are seeking justice, and it's just that you just want finality to a situation. You're not willing to get back into a situation where there's conflict. So you're in a very meditating mode. You're digging deep within, isolating yourself from people and the drama and the competition and the unnecessary conflicts, and just focusing on what is you think is right for you. Maybe you're not happy with your current job and you feel that you want to start your own business, or you feel that the current relationship has been too taxing on you and you feel that you need to take a break and you need to re-evaluate and understand that whether this relationship is right for you to begin with or not. You want justice and you're seeking a way of how you can attain that. There is a way out, no doubt, but you'll have to build up the strength to come out of it. Maybe you've been hurt about something. There is an emotional support, friends and family, colleagues. They are all very supportive and friendly towards you, maybe offering you love and celebration, but somehow you choose to stay away from that. You want to separate from this. You want to be on your own. You want to seek answers from within. And in general, you are not ready to participate in these celebrations. You're not ready to participate in any social activities. You're not ready to participate in any group activities. This is a time of isolation for you, wherein you feel that the best way is to just be on your own and make the most of it. It's now time for you to find your true self, understand what you want and how you can attain that, because you have just had enough of conflicts and drama in your life, and you just want to cut away from everyone for some time and just be on your own till you are ready to get back into action, till you're ready to communicate with others, to be a part of group activities and friends and co-workers and social gatherings. You're taking your time to release the toxic energy of the past and looking forward to a more enriching future. So this is a time of rejuvenation for you, Leo. Finding your own true self, finding the true meaning of life, and not giving into any kind of temptations, being very focused, being very straightforward, thinking of what is best for you, soul searching deep within, and finding out the true meaning of life, doing what is best for you as of now, building on you as of now. And once you feel that you will be ready to participate, then you will start opening up. So I feel that towards the end of the month, you might be able to start communicating with others again, accepting communication more happily, and reciprocating, sending out a message of peace, receiving that message of peace. And maybe you have some expectations which might be met. You might be open to opportunities. So all this period of soul searching and taking time for yourself, doing what's best for you, maybe you're starting a new project on your own, a new business endeavor, starting something of your own, keep doing something that is for you, best for you right now. And this whole process is going to bring you towards peace and calm and a feeling of satisfaction and meeting of your expectations by the time you reach towards the end of the month. And since you feel more happy and enriched within yourself, since you feel more comfortable now because you have made peace within yourself, you will be more comfortable and open to receiving messages and communication, opening lines of communication, and making peace with other social gatherings, group activities, colleagues, friends, family, business associates. And I feel that towards the end of the month, you'll feel happy with your achievements. You might have worked on something and that will bring you good results, and you'll be very happy about it. I'm finding you in a very happy and satisfied state of mind towards the end of the month with the kind of communication and messages that you send and receive. So use this time wisely, Leo. I think that the best way to get back into action is to first be strong from within. So any kind of past dilemmas, any kind of negative thoughts or patterns, negative people around you where you have felt that there has been toxic energy and you have pulled away from that, and now you have used this time to become stronger within yourself in doing something to uplift yourself and feeling pretty happy towards the end of the month. So I think that this is the best way to fight back, Leo. And the best way to deal with enemies and people who are against you is to not respond to them and to come back in a very happy mode, and they'll be quite surprised as to see this side of you, because whatever they have tried to provoke you or trigger you with, that hasn't worked, and instead you've made peace within yourself and now you're ready to get back into action. So well done, and you're on the right path. Peace within yourself first before you can deal with others is the best way to move forward and be successful in life. I wish you great amount of happiness and success in whatever that you are starting to do on your own, your new project, your business endeavor, or whatever new enterprise that you're into. Wish you loads amount of success in that. And these are general readings, but I hope this resonates with you and gives you enough guidance so that you can make the right decisions and plans in the coming few days. And please subscribe to my channel so that you get regular updates from me. I'll see you again soon, Leo. In the meantime, please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.